Looking for a quicker way to find files on your Windows PC. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search for files with Keypirinha, so you can locate documents, folders, and other items in just a few keystrokes. So we'll also cover a few tips to help you get the best search results. To begin, make sure Keypirinha is running on your computer. If it isn't already open, launch it from the Start menu or use the default shortcut, Ctrl plus Windows plus K. Once the launcher appears, you're ready to start searching. Click inside the search box if necessary, then type part of the file name you're looking for. You only need a few letters in most cases. As you type, Keypirinha updates the results instantly, helping you narrow down the list. When the correct file appears, use the up or down arrow keys to select it if needed, then press Enter. The file will open with its default application, allowing you to continue working without browsing through folders. If you see several similar results, try typing a little more of the file name to make the search more specific. You can also include part of the folder name if your Keypirinha setup supports it. A more detailed search usually brings the correct file to the top. If a file doesn't appear, make sure it's stored in a location that Keypirinha can access and search. I mean, if you've recently added new files, refresh Keypirinha's catalog or restart the application so it can update its search data. And that's how you search for files with Keypirinha. After a little practice, you'll be able to find documents and other files in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.